match the car. Same colors. What's up, dudes? Welcome back. Today's video is a little bit different. Today's video is a little different. We are cleaning the engine bay right now on the Solstice, Pontiac Solstice. It's got the EcoTech engine, rear-wheel drive car, nice little roadster. Pretty rare, almost. Like you don't see a lot of these, especially not one like this one. So I'm gonna clean it up a little bit here because we gotta take some photos of it, make it look real good for the interwebs or whatever. And story on this one, it's my stepmom's car. She's had it for almost 10 years. They bought it smashed. It's a VGA car. It was very lightly hit, so it didn't take a lot to fix it. I don't think I have any pictures of it hit, but when my dad rebuilt this thing, he spared no expense. It's got an RKsport body kit on it, whole bunch of nice goodies, 18-inch wheels, way cooler than stock. You can put the pinstriping on the hood, so it's basically an RKsport Solstice, but it's not the GXP, it's not the turbo. It's the affordable fun one. I mean, the other one's probably a lot more fun. I've never driven a turbo Solstice, but I can only imagine. This one, it's probably about the equivalent to my 8.6, maybe a little bit slower because I think it's got a little less power, a little less torque, but if you're gonna go out for a nice cruise, this is a beautiful car to do it in. It's very sporty, it's very lightweight. Well, it's actually not that lightweight, surprisingly, but it's very agile, it handles great. It's fun to drive, and it's convertible, so it's kind of cool. Chicks dig it, but it's definitely a chick's car.
Rage on that beat, going crazy.
Yeah, time to go play. It's enough to mess around with the car. Let's go play with sticks. Let's go play with sticks. Okay, I kind of fumbled that one. We posted the car for sale, people started showing up to buy it, and business as usual. I didn't get a chance to film all the stuff on the car, but look what came back. So I've been doing this thing where it's time to like clean house and time for a change of pace and time for what I believe is going to be the next chapter. So I started cleaning stuff out and selling a bunch of stuff. I sold the old engine that originally came out of the Acadian. I sold an old transmission last week. The Camaro, we posted that for sale, and it went, first guy that messaged, within 4 hours, he got the car, he bought it, he picked it up right away, paid cash, no problems. Next up, the little 240. So, quick history on the car. I bought it 2 years ago off a good friend of mine, Tyler, and I was gonna build it as basically a missile so I could practice drifting and not totally destroy my RX 7. And so I bought it, brought it home. I got another car for parts. I started building it, putting it all together. I brought it to a shop in St. Catharines, Quebec, near Montreal. and I paid them a lot of money to do basically nothing because I ended up not getting what I paid for and stuff. So now presently sitting here, the car has coilovers on it, it has half an angle kit, it has the 5-bolt conversion, 300 ZX brakes, the big brakes up in the front, the nice ones with the big piston calipers. It's got fully roll cage, and if you guys watched all the older videos, and you can check out what's inside the car for real, but today it's actually sold. A friend of mine came by last night, a guy that I met from a car club that I was in a few years back, and he came, checked it out, and him and his friend want to build a legit drift car, a track car, and this thing is perfect, and for the price that I gave him on it, he couldn't say no. So today, basically, we're saying goodbye. I'm loading it up on the trailer, so say bye.